We are Team Nott and our system is MediDrop. Now imagine this, you are in a medical emergency but the doctor can't access your full records. It sounds impossible, right? It happens every day. WHO reports 70% of the medical errors come from missing information, and the World Bank say half the population lack access to their own records, especially in the rural areas. The result? Misdiagnosis, wrong prescriptions, and dangerous delays. Our vision is simple. Patients own and control their data, secure, encrypted, and instantly available in emergencies. MediDrop made this possible with the blockchain smart contracts that log every access or update. Decentralized IPFS storage so records aren't locked in one hospital. And public private key encryption so only the patients and the approved parties can view or edit data. Every action is traceable, enabling faster care while keeping the patients in control.
Hi guys, I'm Jen and I'm going to show you the demo of our MediDrop. So if you are a healthcare provider, simply click on the Connect Wallet button, choose the MetaMask account and then choose the provider room and you will be redirected to the provider dashboard. But if you are the patient, same process as the provider, click on the Connect Wallet button, choose the MetaMask account and then choose the patient room. But right now, for patient, you will be redirected to the emergency settings. So for a provider to add a medical record to a patient medical record page, the patient should grant access to the provider wallet address first. So right now, the provider can add the medical record. So here's the form, let us fill it in. So after finish filling up the form, you can press this add medical record button. And if seeing this, means the record added successfully. When we get back to the patient records page, we can see the medical record is added successfully. For provider to access to patient medical record, simply fill in the patient wallet address, select the duration, type in the reason, and then choose the load records, choose the medical record they want to access, and then submit the access request. Back to the patient UI, run one-time access. The doctor requests are showing here. Click approve. When we're heading back to the provider UI, we can see the record are showing here, and we click the view record, and this is the patient medical record. When the provider no longer needs access to medical records, the patient can simply click the reward button. So you will see the provider immediately lose access to MediDrop. So before, MediDrop offers three key innovations. First, completely secure medical record storage using blockchain and zero-knowledge proofs. Second, instant emergency access for first responders. And third, seamless multi-language support for global access. For new patients, you must first complete your emergency information before can access to other pages. So if I click on the records, I will still stay at the emergency setting page. Let us fill in. Okay. So right now, I have filled in all my emergency information. So I need to click on the save button. And the data all is saving on the Pinata and also linked to a Zakia proof QR code. So here is it. And here's the Pinata IPFS CID. So when you are facing the emergency situation, the doctor just need to scan this QR code or copy the data of this QR code and then go to the Zakia emergency page, paste it and click this button. And your emergency information is retrieved within a 0 millisecond. So if the patient isn't sure about a medical record, they can use our built-in AI feature to analyze it or ask any questions for a clearer understanding by clicking this button, click the analyze record. Here are the summary. And then they can also press on this or type in themselves and then click this ask button. So you guys can see our AI respond immediately. So for patient from China, they can click on the Chinese to translate the page to Chinese. If the patient is from Korea, they can also choose the Korean and translate the page to the Korean.
For unique value proposition, the key question is who and why should someone use our app instead of anything else? With full patient control, you decide who can view or edit your records, not the hospital, not the clinic. We use tamper-proof blockchain and IPFS encryption, so no one can secretly edit your medical history. In an emergency, our QR code access shows vital non-confidential details instantly without risking privacy. We also stand by our ethical commitments. Privacy first, free and access equal to all patients and AI assistant that gives fair, unbiased, and inclusive medical insights. Looking ahead, our future plan includes integrating with national e-health system, expanding AI into proactive health monitoring, and partnering with global clinics and NGOs. We even envision medical NFTs, creating a verifiable permanent audit trail for every patient in health history. In short, our system puts patient back in control, secure, transparent, and ready for a truly connected world of healthcare. Thank you.